Alysson's Learning Hub. Wow, Rapunzel's hair is so long. I wish I can have Rapunzel's hair too. I fall asleep. Where am I? Rapunzel? I can't believe. Wow, I'm a Rapunzel, but I don't have Rapunzel's dress. What should I do? Mommy, I need a Rapunzel dress. Mommy, look at my hair.
Wow, what is this?
Rapunzel's hair.
Wow, that is so amazing. You got a Rapunzel's hair.
Do we have Rapunzel's dress, Mommy?
We don't. I'm sorry, darling. We don't have Rapunzel's dress.
We can do it.
Yeah. Okay, we can draw one, right?
Yeah.
Good idea.
We need white paper,
Some purple
and pink,
pink, coloring
and
pen,
black.
a black marker. That's all we need.
Let's get started.
Yes. We are going to start with the shoulder part of the dress, okay? I'm going to draw a circle. Alright? Okay. And on the other side, I'm going to draw, let's draw another circle, okay? So in between these two circles, let's find a middle point, okay? Let's make a dot here. Connect with a straight line, okay? And on the other side, the same. So this is going to be the neckline of the dress. And now from here, I'm going to draw a straight line, but towards the middle, okay? On the other side, the same, okay? We'll draw a straight line, but go towards the middle, okay? Is your two lines stop on the same? So from here, I'm going to draw a straight line, but this time I'm going to draw a line towards outside, shorter one, okay? And on the other side, do a dress towards outside, a shorter one. I want you to find a middle point below here. I'm going to join these 2 points with a straight line. On the other side, the same. So this is the body part, yeah? So we're going to draw the dress, okay? From here, let's draw a curved line, okay? We extend it.
Very big.
Yeah. Here and on the other side, extend it with a curved line. Do you know how to draw waved lines?
Yeah.
So these points with these points, that's drawing with a waved line. This is the frame of the dress. Okay, Now let's add some details. Now start with the top. I think there will be lace trim on top. So I'm going to draw waved lines along the circle, along the straight lines, the neckline. Up here, let's draw a little circle. We draw a sort of oval shape. It's like a water drop shape, I think.
Like a bowl.
Yes, I'm going to draw that inside, okay? Right, see these ribbons hanging down? From here, I'm going to draw a straight line all the way down. And on the other side, going down with a straight line. Alright, now here, up the top, I'll just pretend there's a line going behind the lace tie, okay? I think there's some stripes on half the shoulder bit, yeah? So I'm going to draw a curved line, 2 curved lines, another 2 curved lines, yes, and another one, okay? And on the other side, we draw curved lines. So I'm going to draw the sleeves of the dress, okay? So I'm going to draw a straight line down, yep. On the other side, draw a straight line. Let's connect with a horizontal line, and there will be waved lines on the bottom. Good. On the other side, let's draw the same thing, okay? A straight line going down, another straight line going down, connect with a horizontal line, and some waved lines on the bottom. So up here, I'm going just to draw a tiny sort of line here, another line, but the gap is going to be a little bit bigger, okay? And another line. Same thing, we repeat the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to draw 2 little lines here on the other side. Now up here, I'm going to draw a curved line going to the crease on the dress, okay? Now I've done the bottom, okay? I'm going to draw waved lines, okay? It's like the lace bead. Alright. Oh, good. I think we were almost finished, okay? Let's get it colored in, okay? Finished the Rapunzel dress.
Yes.
That is so beautiful.
I like it.
You like it? Oh, I like yours too.
I like yours too.
Yes. It's very beautiful purple color.
Yeah.
Okay. Like Alyssa. Now we got a Rapunzel's dress. Now I'm thinking that if you stick your picture on top of the dress, now it looks like you are wearing Rapunzel's dress. That's so cool. Alright. Shall we do that?
Yeah. Can I glue it?
Yes. Use a glue stick.
Glue.
Yeah. That's good.
Nah.
And that's do you want to stick on? Bam! Voila! Look, Alyssa wearing Rapunzel's dress. Look, we finished drawing our Rapunzel's dress. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
And if you stick your picture on top of the dress, then it just looks like you are wearing the Rapunzel's dress. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Thank you, Mommy. You're very sweet.
Do you like my idea?
Yeah, but I could wish this can be a real one.
Alright. Maybe if you make a wish, something magical will happen again.
I wish I have Rapunzel's dress.
Wow! That is amazing! You got a Rapunzel's dress! Your wish come true again! That is so cool!
Thank you for watching, everyone.
If you liked the video today, please subscribe to our channel, Alyssa's Learning Hub. We will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Diddy.